Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to fix C14 a Snapchat error code on a Snapchat application. It generally appears when you try to log into your Snapchat account. It is an error due to outdated version of a Snapchat application, weak or unstable internet connection, or storage of large cache data on Snapchat. So to fix the error, first open your Play Store if you are using Android. If you are using Apple, then open your App Store. After that, tap on the search bar and look for Snapchat, then tap on Snapchat. Now, if you have update on your Snapchat, then you get update option. So tap on update. With that, your Snapchat will be updated. It will take few seconds for your Snapchat to be updated. After updating your Snapchat, once look through your Snapchat whether the error has been removed or not. If the error has not been removed, now go to your settings on your mobile phone. Then look for apps. Then tap on app setting. Then tap on manage apps. Now look for Snapchat. Then tap on Snapchat. Now here you can see clear data option at down. Tap on clear data. Then tap on clear cache. Then again tap on OK. With that, your cache data of Snapchat will be removed. Then once check through your internet connection as well, because the error can be due to the unstable internet connection. After you fix all these problems, once open through Snapchat application and look whether the Snapchat is showing you the error code again or not. This is how we can fix C14 a Snapchat error code on a Snapchat. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.